Hello everyone, it's your girl Little Miss Curls 82 here, and I am back with another video. I am super excited about this video. As you guys can tell by the title, I am reviewing the new Pattern Beauty blow dryer, designed and crafted by none other than Miss Tracee Ellis Ross. You guys, this blow dryer was super easy to follow, and it had my hair dried within minutes. Like always, I thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Feel free to comment too and let me know what you think. So we're going to get started. This process is just me going through and detangling my hair after washing and conditioning with my Black is Beautiful. And I am using my favorite. You guys know how I feel about my easy detangler brush. I'm in love with it. Detangling my hair literally took me less than 10 minutes. So, you guys, I'm here. I'm glad you're here. Stay tuned for my total and honest review of the Pattern Beauty blow dryer. I love you guys. Mwah.
I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice.
Dun, 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 dun. The time has come, you guys. So I am just going through and taking out all the stuffing out of the box that it was shipped in. And of course, I come across these poppy things that I'm still obsessed with. I was obsessed with them as a child, and clearly I still have a thing for them now. Okay, you guys, so here it is, the new Pattern Beauty blow dryer. You guys, I was super excited to get my hands on this, and here, just opening the box, it shows you in detail all of the things that are included in the box. Then, as you can see, it is a personalized message from Miss Tracee Ellis Ross herself, and I will actually ping this and pause it so that you guys can read it as well. Okay, you guys, so on the back side of the card, it is a poem. I'm going to freeze it and draw it in a little closer for you guys to be able to read it. Now on to the goodies inside of the package. So the package includes the blow dryer itself, of course. Then we have the diffuser. We have the Y2 comb, the concentrator nozzle, and the brush. You guys, no more time is about to be wasted. Let's get into the usage of this blow dryer. Okay, you guys, so I was super excited when I received my package 2 days ago, and I was so ready to jump on in to do this quick review. I wanted to do some curls, so I wanted to do some curls on stretched hair using some perm rods, and I'm going to show you the perm rods. So now, I wanted to go in with these jumbo perm rods to do some curls on my hair, and I wanted to do it on stretched hair. So here I have the concentrator nozzle on, and we're gonna just jump right in, you guys. I mean, I cannot wait. I love the design of this blow dryer. Is very elegant. I love the melanin in it. I just love the neutral colors. This brown that it comes in is super cute, super sleek, and I love it. I absolutely love it, you guys. And so, yeah, we're gonna just jump right in. I'm not wasting any more time with this. I'm ready. Okay, this is the first section, and I really love the way my hair feels. I'm not trying to get it super you know, silky or, you know, straight with the blow dryer. I'm just wanting to stretch my hair so that I can do some pom rods in it, but I'm loving how it feels. My hair feels super smooth, and it did not take long for that section to dry at all. So I'm gonna go in with the other sections, and I'll come back when I am complete.
Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice.
Okay, so I finished this section, and like I said, it's not bone dry to the scalp of my hair, but it is dry. The majority of my hair is dry. In my honest opinion, or my honest reviews, I actually like it. I actually went in with thicker sections the second time. I started with the smaller section, but then I did the other two twists. I put those together, and I shouldn't have done that, because that thicker section was harder to get through, even with the wide tooth comb. And I ran into, I guess, my hair getting kind of tangled in the process of blow drying the thicker sections. So I won't be doing that anymore. And I feel like if I would have done it in the thinner sections, like in the back, that would have been a whole lot better to maneuver and get through. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep it to the smaller sections because my hair, it is super thick, so I'm gonna refrain from doing them in thicker sections. So I'm going to put this up, down, or whatever the case. I'm going to clip that, and then I'm going to work on this section, and I've already got this smaller section back here ready for spray. And then I'm just gonna go back in with the pattern blow dryer, and yeah, I'll be back, you guys.
Help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice.
Yeah, smaller sections are better, so much better. So Okay, you guys, so I am finished with my entire head, but I must say that I love the way this side feels. It's my left side of my hair versus the right side, and I feel it's because I took so much more time on this side. I did my hair in smaller sections instead of putting those sections together like I did over here. Yeah, so yeah, this side feels a little different. So what I'm gonna go back and do, I'm actually gonna go in and just go back over this side, but I'm gonna do it with the brush that comes with it. So I'm gonna switch this out, and I'm gonna go in with the brush. So give me a sec, I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the brush nozzle, and it is said to elongate the curls to their fullest potential. So I'm gonna go in and just help this side. In other words, I'm gonna hope this side out, because this side is just definitely not giving me this side. So we're gonna go back in with the brush. Just try to brush, see how this goes.
Can you help me? I need more energy. Can you help me? I need more energy. There's
Okay, you guys, so I have completely blown out, and you guys, my entire head using the Pattern Beauty blow dryer. Okay, you guys, so I am mad. I am big mad that I did not go in. Okay, you hear all this squeaking and squirreling and all this noise. It's this chair, and I'm sick of it. Anywho, I'm mad I did not go in with the brush first. This brush, even though it looks like the bristles are just going every which way, but it's okay, because that's how she crafted and designed it. When I say it is absolutely amazing what I just experienced blow drying my hair using the brush. And I did realize in the beginning of my video, I said the comb was the concentrator nozzle. Lies I told. That was not the concentrator nozzle. That was actually the comb. So my bad, because I was not paying attention. I was just ready to get this blow drying processes, the blow drying process started. But you guys, I absolutely love the brush. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna show you the other pieces that came with the blow dryer, and then I'm gonna go in and start applying a product, which I don't think I'm really putting much product on my hair. I probably just use the mousse and that's it. I don't think I want to put anything else on here. But anyway, you guys, I do absolutely love how my hair feels. It feels amazing. Right before I went back to my curls, I clipped some more off my ends. You guys, I get scissor happy at times, but I'm feeling like I just can't wait until I can go and get me a serious professional cut. But I do clip my ends periodically, like, you guys, just to make sure I'm getting damage off. You know, if it's not good, if it's damaged, you need to cut it. So anywho, I'm going to show you the other parts to the blow dryer, and then I'm going to start this perm rod set process. Be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back, and I'm just going to read everything from the back of the box. So you guys have seen the comb attachment. The comb attachment is a wide tooth comb, and it is designed, to detangle and lift curls to the highest point. And you see it. Beautiful, isn't it? This is the Y2 comb to the Pattern Beauty. And then we have the brush. You guys, I absolutely love the brush. Like I said, I wish I would have started the blow drying process with the brush instead of the comb at first. And the brush, once again, helps to elongate your curls to their fullest potential. And I absolutely loved the results of the brush, you guys. So then moving right along to the concentrator nozzle. Concentrator nozzle, it creates focused wide airflow for blowouts. So this is definitely good if you're wanting to get that the sleekest silky blowout, so that you can do, you know, a silk press. And then we have one of my favorites when it comes to my wash and goes is the diffuser. I haven't tried this particular one, but I am super excited that I will. And so this is going to help gentle waves of air to help shape and set curls. So you guys, this is the diffuser. The actual blow dryer comes with 3 heat settings and 2 speed settings. And it's 6 customizable. I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna put the word, and I know how to say the word and read the word, but it ain't coming out right. So anyway, it comes with 6 customizable settings to dry any curl type. So you guys, I am super excited that I have made this purchase, and I look forward to using it even more. So you guys, check it out, patternbeauty.com, to get yours. So now I'm gonna jump right into these curls. I'm already to a point I don't even want to do them no more, but I'm going to do them, and I doubt I'll be sitting up under the blow dryer tonight. Once again, I'm gonna just give you a little gonna model it for you. You know, see the Pattern Beauty here. Your settings here, heat settings. Then you got a shot of cool air here with the cool air button. You can also do it here. Well, the shot of cool air comes from here. Anyway. Okay, you guys. So let's get started with these curls. We're gonna do this like really, really quick.
I need more energy. Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy. There's always a choice. Can you help me? Can you help me? I need more energy.
felt like was so quick. I don't even care. Usually when I do things that are or seem to be effortless, it turns out so bomb. So I ain't put no effort into this, but I'm hoping and praying that these curls come out bomb. I will post so you guys can see the end results. And like always, I appreciate you guys for being here with me, rocking with your girl, Little Miss Curls. This, by the way, was not a sponsored video, so I did want to throw that out there. But Pattern Beauty, I am here for partnership. I am here for it. But you guys, thank you so much for always rocking with your girl, Little Miss Curls. Until next time, mwah, good night, Natural-lites.